This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding the highest quality original and opening it in a non-destructive editor. This preserves data as you work. Once done, make a duplicate layer or virtual copy so you can compare changes. Make sure to enable the history or snapshot panel to step back easily. You use these safeguards because edits can overwrite pixels. Preserving originals lets you revert any decision. Now proceed to inspect visible edits before attempting to remove them. You now identify what was changed by examining layers, masks, adjustment layers, and metadata that logs edits. Once you spot a retouch or color shift, toggle that layer or adjustment off to see the difference, and use a history snapshot to return to a prior state if needed. Then create a precise mask to isolate the edited area so your fixes only affect pixels that changed. This targeted approach avoids creating new artifacts while restoring the image. You finish by restoring pixels with clone stamp, healing brush, or content-aware fill, sampling from nearby clean areas to maintain texture. Once structure is intact, match color and tonality using curves or levels. Make subtle local adjustments with masks to blend seams. When satisfied, save a layered PSD for future reversions and export a flattened master for delivery. If things go wrong, the key tip is to revert to your original duplicate or history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.